Yeah, okay, mate. Sorry for late reply. I know you sent this last night. I was just doing a bit of work this morning, trying to finish that code, ironing out a few issues on it. But yeah, getting there. I think maybe you may be slightly confused on the patterns on the blueprint forming. I was actually going to reply to you before, but then I was like, well, I'm better to make a video on it and try and actually go through it. So when the red 200 is above price, that can be more of an apex. Obviously, that depends. But see here, right here, when the red 200 is above price, technically this is an apex, right? This is not a blueprint for success pattern. This is more of an apex. As soon as you break there above the white 100 moving average, with the red 200 above price and the white 100 coming underneath price, that is an apex. Um, this becomes a bit of a pressure cooker. And as long as price can build out in here, these can cause large moves if breakout is successful, of course. So it automatically becomes bullish just above the white 100 right there. And well, obviously we can see it did actually get a bit of a move up inside of it. Actually, 139%. I didn't expect that, but yeah, it's a big move there. Um, so what it does in Apex is, it becomes a compression pattern kind of in here that successful breakouts can have large moves. I suppose BTC, if we check that out here, if you just want to look here, for example, BTC back in 2019, it's just an example. It's the first one popped into my head. Uh, but it's not working. You can see here, price in a bear market, you get a drop, you get a flat base. The flat base, then you recover the white 100 moving average, and price grinds up in the apex, and this actually just explodes. And from that explosion point, um, well, obviously we consolidate above the apex, and then you get the big move. Okay, so yeah, you can see as long as it holds in here, there is a chance of getting recovery and of finally getting the breakout. At the moment, it's had the first move and now it's back down, trying to consolidate. I didn't look into larger time frames on this yet. For looking at a pullback. At the moment, it looks like we're having a red 2 week candle on most of the market. Well, that's actually still green there because I think it was 100 and what did we look at 130 something percent. So that was a huge move higher. But a lot of the market is having a red candle and a red 2 week candle. Not all of it, of course. Um, Av is slightly still green, and there's quite a few coins still green, but so I just clicked there on the blueprint. If you have a look here, yeah.